Offerup is a popular platform for buying and selling, especially for local transactions. So here's how to sell an Offerup. To sell an Offerup, you'll need to create a listing with photos, a description, and a price. You can find a buyer for nearly anything, but some of the most popular categories include clothing and accessories. Offerup is great for sell brand name clothing and accessories in such good conditions, such as jeans, shirts, dresses, and jewelry. Electronics are another good one, as buyers are always looking for deals on used electronics like smartphones, tablets, laptops, and gaming consoles. Then you've got collectibles, which is really popular on OfferUp, which a lot of collectors are basically seeking unique pieces, particularly items like Pokemon cards and vintage toys and antique furniture. Now, as far as the tools that you need, budget-conscious DIYers and professionals alike frequently search OfferUp for deals on tools, both hand tools and power tools. Creating a listing. When you create your listing, be sure to take high-quality photos from multiple angles to showcase the item and accurately represent its condition. Use natural lighting and a clean background. Write a detailed description, including the brand name, size, condition, and any relevant keywords a buyer might use to search. Research similar items to get a sense of a competitive price. Best practices for selling on OfferUp. Communicate promptly. Be responsive to buyer questions and messages. Negotiate. Be prepared to negotiate with buyers, but have a clear idea of the lowest price you're willing to accept. And meet safely. For in-person transactions, meet in a safe public place during the day. Let a friend or family member know your plans. Prioritize serious buyers. Focus on buyers who are ready to make your purchase. Confirm the meetup. Reach out to the buyer shortly before the meeting to confirm the details. Remember that OfferUp is free for local transactions. If you choose to ship items, there will be a service fee of about 12.9% of the final sale price, or $199, whichever is greater.